I'm Earl Cobb.
And I'm Dr. Charlotte Grant Cobb. And we really enjoyed writing together, living a richer life, getting the most out of life's gifts and circumstances.
It really started a number of years ago when we decided to chronicle the major events in our life, and we thought it was something we could do over a weekend. But I tell you, after a few years of digging and reflecting, we were just compelled to do a little bit more. And we've always been very active in our own personal and professional development. And when we had the opportunity to take our manuscript and do the things that we saw that we can do with that manuscript to come up with Living a Richer Life, we're glad we did that.
Thank you so much. Welcome. Thank you so much for coming. We're so glad you're here.
And welcome to our program. Matter of fact, welcome to the 21st century.